Geology lesson called a sinkhole.
Oh,
Yeah, it's way under.
yeah, there goes all of it.
А что случилось?
It's hard to understand why the only warning measure here was such a flimsy barrier.
Ох, ебаный в рот нахуй! Нихуя себе! Стой, вылазь с той стороны!
Get down there.
This might be the most expensive mouse hunt ever recorded.
Oh. There she goes! Holy! Everybody up!
This is East Beach. So crazy. Oh, poor baby. Oh my goodness. Oh, poor baby. They said to be careful of the tail. It's very powerful.
Oh my goodness! Oh! Wow!
Oh my god!
When an earthquake strikes, do you think this is the safest choice? Let everyone know what response you believe would be more effective.